Yo, what's up homies, how you all doing? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop for free in Arch Linux. And as you can see, nobody wants to pay this much money every single month for a very generic software like Photoshop, you know what I'm saying, bro? And of course, if you don't know, all Adobe softwares or all Adobe apps do not function on Linux. So what is the alternative? Is to use Sopacrip, you know what I'm saying, bro? I don't know how to explain it to you, but this is a very mesmerizing app, bro. This is amazing. It is the same as Photoshop. It uses the same key bindings. The only difference is that this is online, you know what I'm saying, bro. It's a web app and it uses JavaScript, so you do whatever you want with that information. If you want to know more about this software or this app, read the official website. There's tons of information about what's going on in here, you know what I'm saying. I don't know how to explain it to you, bro, but this is more than enough for me. The problem with me, like if you ask any other Linux user what is the alternative for Photoshop, he will probably say, I believe 99% use GNU image manipulation program. So don't judge, bro, but I tried to use this software and I simply couldn't, bro, you know what I'm saying, because I tend to stick with apps I have used for the first time, you know what I'm saying, bro. And the first time I have tried to make my thumbnails, I used Photoshop, you know what I'm saying, bro, and I simply can't. The key bindings of Photoshop are muscle memory in my hands and everything, but you know what I'm saying, I don't think when I want to edit photos or something, you know what I'm saying, bro. So let me show you right now a showcase of Photoshop, and as you can see, this is the thumbnail of this video, just to show you that I use it every single day. So here's basically you can zoom in, zoom out, I believe by pressing Alt and the scrolling wheel, you know what I'm saying, bro. So let's say you want to I believe change the form or like transform. You press Ctrl+T, the same as Photoshop, and yeah, see that you can increase the size, you know what I'm saying. You can use I believe Shift plus left arrow key to change the position, same as Photoshop, you know what I'm saying. Look at this, amazing, isn't it? And then you press, I believe, Ctrl+Z to return. I believe if you want to duplicate, Ctrl+G and then Ctrl+T and change the position. Easy stuff, bro, you know what I'm saying, like, I don't know. And if you want to basically merge or like group multiple layers, you press on Shift and then you choose the layer you want to merge with, and then you press Ctrl+Group. See, this is right now a group. Or if you want to merge everything, you Ctrl+E, you know what I'm saying, bro. Now this is all in the same layer. Then return by Ctrl+Z. Yep. Anyways, I believe this is enough, you know what I'm saying. You go to Photopea.com and this is a very good software to make your thumbnails, you know what I'm saying. Anyways, thank you all for watching the video and I'll catch you in the next one.